Miller FILTAIR Capture 5 with ZoneFlow technology is designed to increase arc on time, boost productivity, and improve compliance in the most demanding environments. Ideal for operations where a mobile unit is needed, such as heavy equipment manufacturing, fabrication, and maintenance and repair operations. The easy-to-operate balanced arm design allows for accurate positioning and easy tool-free adjustments. Unlike traditional systems that only capture up to 18 inches, exclusive ZoneFlow technology features an extended capture zone of up to 5 feet, so operators can work uninterrupted without constantly adjusting the arm. Most fume extractors have an airflow rated at the blower for a nominal rating. The FILTAIR Capture 5 nominal rating is 1200 CFM. The Capture 5 also has an AccuRated, true accurate airflow, measured at the inlet of the collection arm of 900 CFM. External brackets on the collection arms allow for easy maintenance and long-lasting operation. They allow air to pass through with less resistance, giving the operator stronger airflow. An automatic pulse cleaning cycle cleans the filter from the inside out when the machine is turned off, extending filter life by up to 8 times. The particulate disposal bin provides easy and convenient access to empty out collected particulate. Filter replacement is also made easy with a hinged filter hatch featuring a convenient locking mechanism for easy access to the filter and tool-free replacements. The metal cabinet design ensures long-lasting durability even in the toughest environments. The lockable swivel caster wheels allow the system to stay stationary during arm movements, and the large rear wheels allow for easy movement from one work area to another. The capture zone redefined. Miller FILTAIR Capture 5.